The definition of sustainability means to meet our needs today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This new push towards a sustainable future has brought up a rather new concept in sustainable buildings. But first, we will give you a little background information on traditional ways of constructing buildings. Traditional building practices have often overlooked the relationships between buildings and the environment. A standard wood-framed home consumes over 1 acre of forest, and the global building industry accounts for almost one-half of the world's demand for lumber. Also, heating, cooling, and providing electricity to these buildings contributes significantly to air pollution and accounts for more than 1/3 of the world's energy consumption. Buildings also account for 40% of our consumption of raw materials such as copper, steel, and plastics. The standard wood-framed home creates an average of 3 to 7 tons of waste created during construction. Homes, roads, office complexes, shopping malls, and parking lots are all being built across the planet at an ever-increasing rate, consuming land that was previously forest, used to farm, or was just open space. The built environment is an essential part of our lives, necessary to provide spaces to live, work, play, and learn. However, the design, construction, maintenance, and operation of our built environments has had an incredible impact on the natural environment and our resource base. Already, there are more than 76 million residential buildings and 5 million commercial buildings in the U.S., and it's predicted millions more will be created over these next few years to keep up with the population growth. Today's green revolution can be traced back to the environmental awareness that began in the 1960s. New construction techniques have led to the development of innovative materials and design concepts. Green buildings are designed, constructed, and commissioned to ensure they are safe and healthy for their occupants. Successfully designed green projects can involve a different assortment of factors ranging from the resourceful use of materials to the consideration of function, climate, and location. Although green buildings do all these wonderful things, it is important to know that there is no universal formula for building green. What can be considered green depends heavily on the climate, vegetation, and availability of local materials, relative costs, and an array of other factors.